craft for the months of the year, and now I'm going to show you how to make it. You will need 2 cardboards of any color, 3 pieces of paper of any color, split pin, a pair of scissors, ruler, glue, a marker, a pencil, a big plate and a small plate. First, place the big plate on a piece of cardboard and draw a circle around it. Take a small plate and place it on another cardboard and draw a smaller circle. Then cut out the smaller circle like this. Cut out the bigger circle. Take a piece of white paper and place a small plate on it and draw a circle around. Cut out the circle shape. This will be our template. Once the template circle is cut, I will fold it in half. And then fold it again. Open it up and draw lines over the 2 creases. I will draw more lines inside the circle so that we have a total of 12 pizza slices. Place the white circle on top of the big circle we cut earlier on. Follow the lines on the smaller circle to make 12 pizza slices on the bigger circle. Now, take a ruler and connect these lines to form the pizza slices. And this is how the big circle is gonna look. Use the glue on the yellow paper to trace out 12 small circles. Cut them and they will look like this. With the blue paper, cut out 12 small rectangles, like this. Here's how they will look when they are done. Over the big circle, place a small plate and draw a circle around it. On the outer part of the circle, paste the smaller yellow circles like this. Now you can place the rest of the small circles around. they will look like this. Place the rectangles in the inner part that is shaped like pizza slices. Do the same on all the pizza slices. And this is how they will look. Now, write numbers on the yellow circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. On the blue rectangles, write the months of the year, like this. Take the template again. Cut out one pizza shape, which I will use to draw the pizza slice on the orange circle we cut out earlier on, like this. Now that I have drawn the pizza slice, I will cut it out. Take the orange circle and poke a pencil in the middle to make a hole. Do the same with the pink circle. Once the holes are open, place the orange circle on top of the pink circle and push through the split pin. Flip the circle around and split the pin. It will look like this. Write on the orange circle and add some decorations to it. Like this. Now that the craft is complete, let me show you how it works. January is the first month. February is the second month. March is the third month. April is the fourth month. May is the fifth month. June is the sixth month. July is the seventh month. August is the eighth month. September is the ninth month. October is the 10th month. November is the 11th month. And December is the 12th month. This is our craft when it's complete.